Alright. Anya placed an ice cube on the sidewalk on a warm day. The ice cube soon melted to form a puddle. What process caused the ice cube to melt? Now, I know that in order to have something melt or go from a solid to a liquid, I have to add heat. So let's think about this. Could heat have transferred through the ice cube from convection? So was it warm air, warm water? Well, if it was a warm day, it could have been warm air, so this is a definite maybe question. Heat transferred from the air to the ice cube by radiation. Well, that's not how radiation heat transfers, so that is not the answer. Heat transferred from the air and the pavement by conduction. Well, it transferred through the air and the pavement by conduction. That is a pretty good answer. Heat transferred through the ice cube. Heat through the ice cube into the pavement. That is a terrible answer. Now I've got two choices. Heat transferred through the ice cube by convection, or heat transferred from the air and the pavement by conduction. I think C is our best answer.